Hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening, my people. Good afternoon, good morning, good night, depending of where you are. I just want to drop this video concerning this matter when I hear yesterday. I was so pissed off. When I watch some video when they bring out say my just pidgin English. When I watch some video where they carry come out, my people, when they say this man beat his wife, he beat the woman so tey he remove the woman teeth. No be only teeth, he blind the woman eye. Okay, now wetin come happen now? Finally the truth come out. Una see how this world are so wicked, full of wickedness. Okay, now the man no even know whether na Lagos the man dey stay. I no care to know where the man dey stay. He never even enter flight once. So he say he come for Canada. Say the three children wey the woman get, no one be own for inside, and the world believe that man. Say na true word, not knowing the man dey lie. That man dey lie. And the people when they even believe the man go carry this matter come out for social media, they don't even want know the truth. They don't want settle down, make the truth come out first. They just carry the matter, begin they blame the woman. They won't even overbeat that woman, join the one where the man don't feel beaten. I see the video, I start to the reason the matter, say the man dey Canada and the woman get 3 children. No one be this man own. How come? If that be the case, maybe the man I get the fault. The way when I say judge my own, I say maybe now the man get the fault. The woman no want lose the marriage. You don't want lose the marriage. That is why he do what he do. So, as we are saying for this matter, hey, not be even say the woman don't want lose the marriage, not knowing that the man be the devil incarnate. Now he be the first devil. The way the word they say devil. Now the man be the first devil. If they choose for number first, just carry innocent woman like that, beat her, remove the teeth, blind one of the eye. God. No. Some men, they're too wicked. I don't even know the tribe. As only I know the tribe where this man be now. As the thing they vex me as I dey here so. As only I know the tribe where that man be. I reason now. I see some judgment. I say, someone not judge this woman like that. You now when they judge the woman wrong, if that woman are your sister, this man beat her as this man take beat that woman so. If that eye blind self, he blind one of the eye, remove it. What do you go do? Now, Jumia, they ask question. If you get to this video, please drop your comment. What you go do? What you go do that man? If that woman are your sister, you go join the man, beat your sister, mona kill her, or how? No matter what that woman do, say now the woman I do wrong before, you not go fit join the man, say you want kill the woman. Okay, now where the finally truth come out now, how una want do the man now? Wetin una go do to that man now? Any small thing just happen, una no want just settle down at all. Una get the truth first. Una go just carry Una go carry the matter. At the end of the day, finally the truth go come out. Even me, I talk and reach like that, say, if the woman even do the man like that, the man deserve her, because why? They don't use women when they Europe finish. They go say they want to go marry for Africa. People when they say they want to go marry for Africa, now what did they get? Now be this one. I talk and reach like that. I be even say I go do video. Put say all those people wey be say they don't use our women finish for Europe. Na that time they'll tell no say they not get character. Na that time they'll tell no say not be that work. The woman wey do that work, they know they marry and their family know their family know they like that kind of woman. When you don't use that, you don't use them finish. That your walking stick, it don't destroy all the old ample where the woman get. All the old for Joshua, when it dey inside that apple, your walking stick, it don't scatter am. That time you can't no say, you not go marry her because he do that work and your family not like her. The time when you dey carry the girl, when they carry the woman, you not know say do that work. Another one again, our guys will put engagement ring, they go there, happy carry engagement ring for 2 years. For what now? For what? I not carry engagement ring for 3 months. I not carry engagement ring for 3 months. As far as say you don't carry that ring, you don't take engagement, they plan for the wedding. Subito, quick. They plan for the wedding. Go there happy. Then the man go come, they beat you, they use you because they put engagement ring for your hand. For what now? For what now? Who engagement ring help? Who he help? Who he help? That one, now for that one. So you, that man, when he beat this woman like that, disgrace her over disgrace. Oh my God. Okay, now, what see you want to pay this woman now? As far as say disgrace don't enter you the man body now your own disgrace now it come worse now. What see you go do this woman now? How you want do the woman now? How you want do this woman now? You this man. You this animal man. Your family not even there way be say you want kill innocent woman just like that. And the woman when it day, I say God beg you. If you go back to that house again, now your coffee there they carry they come up for there. Now rest in peace, now they go right put. If you go back again, God save you for this one. If you go back again, because I know our African women, their mentality, some of them will not be all, some of our African women, their mentality, I don't know where they come from. You go say, my children, because of my children, assuming you dead, that not know if your children they if they come, that I don't know. That he don't know. Whether your children they will be say you they pity for, you don't know. You don't go be that one. You go become, the name go become rest in peace. If you don't know that one, may you know now. And if your family agree, may you go meet this man again. My sister, just stick and say your family now your death now that they find, not be your living. And if you yourself use your leg and your hand, oh my God, take go meet this man. Oh, I'm sorry for you. Now your rest in peace, now it go be the next level. And not still leave your children for there because what he do to you so, he go teach your children again. Domestic violence, now it be this one. Domestic violence, he go teach your children. Your children will constantly be wayward like this man. Because this one not be responsible man. Irresponsible man, this man be. Irresponsible man, I be. Assuming you be my brother, this man. You not go fit still be my brother because I don't want to get brother like this animal man. No. No. He go take care of your children. You not be single mother. He must take that responsibility where go take care of your children. Because if you say me, you go put her for prison. Now that time only you want go they train the children they go. So not put her for prison. Me I not go say me you put her for prison. Leave her. Make it come they take care of the children. He go write short note. He go sign all his life when he go take care of the children for you. And that your teeth when he remove that beat when he beat you, that man make it pay. Make that man pay. Make it pay. This is wickedness, Okay, so me the woman can't die now. As you just bring the story come out now, if for you say you don't win, now so if for you carry the story, you go carry and come out, people go believe you. Last time I talk about gossiper. Because people don't want hear the truth before they go they react. At least for one moment, Mona still listen to the truth first before una go say una wan react put. Mona see who wrong, I no right. Before una go dey say make I react, put wetin this woman do. Oh my God. How woman go just marry woman? The woman go get 3 children. Intelligent people, wanna look this matter. Oh, intelligent people. I know say not be everybody dey intelligent. Not be even who don't go BP school. Not still dey intelligent. Oh, illiterate go still better person. Wanna still know of that one for another side. Okay, wanna reason this word well. Wanna reason and wanna look am well. As the man, according to how they say the man take talk the matter, say, he dey for Canada. He be one carry a family. When you not even know Lagos, you not know airport for Lagos. Now you go Canada. 400,000 now be not be the same. You can't do it now. You not even get 1 naira for your pocket. Now you say you go Canada. You dey Canada. Canada for where? You dey Canada. Hey, Canada go, Canada come. Nothing we not go see for this life. Nothing we not go see for this life. Hey, God. Okay, una now when you come hear this matter now, when you carry this matter, because now una even the vex me pass for his side. One beat this woman, join the beat where the man beat her. Now una one even come panel beat the face and the teeth, everything. Una one panel beat the woman anyhow. Okay, wetin can be your advice now to this animal man? Wetin you go do now? And if na your sister, you go join that man, beat your sister like this. Or you go green. If na my sister, hey. If na my sister, for wetin this man do so, before they go, they say, nah, I don't throw her to where it belong to. Really, I don't throw her to where it belong to. No man, they never born that man when he go try this nonsense to my sister. He go beat my sister, remove it, blind one of his eye. For what now? Woman, when he lead down, give you 3 children, 3 kids. Oh my God. Some men, mona still they use sense now. Mona still they use una brain. Domestic violence. Wetin go cost to many people. Oh God. Okay, mona ask this man now, say, what did this woman do and reach like that? When he just beat this woman anyhow, beat her, you go fit pay for that blood where the woman lost, or that eye, that teeth so where she lost. This man you go fit pay, huh? Oh God, I feel pity for that woman. I feel pity for the woman. Oh, Jesus. Some men later now they go say, our women, they go they marry another tribe or for another country. Why they not go another? Because now where they see find their peace. Okay, see this one now. When it happen now, hey, God Almighty, oh God, now only you one go save us for this world. Oh, only you one I go save us for this world. I beg our women, mona wake up. Man go they beat you for inside house. You go still they cover that beat for inside house. Not be this civilizing world will be say without this. So now man go they beat you for inside house. You go still use your body to the cover her. If you payment now, you go carry another woman put for inside house. Quick. You know they take 1 minute when you go take put another woman for inside house. Now, which advice now una get now una want to advise our women and our men? People when it be said they want the hear truth, they go carry matter to the talk. Wetin be una advice now? If you get to this video, drop your advice there. Drop your comment there. Oh my God. I feel so sad when I see that video. I watch and say, God, for this one over there, so this one still dey happen. It still dey happen. Nothing we will not go see for this world though. Woman don't become tools. Woman don't become tools. Now woman now they come to they learn bossing. I want bossing. Now woman now they come to they learn bossing. No. You man go carry woman the beat. Maybe not the way where you take see the family. Oh. Now I make you do what you do so. Because I don't really understand. Maybe not the way where you see the family of the woman. Maybe the family of the woman, they not get safe for where you dey. Na make you do wetin you do so. You say nobody go come ask you. Oh God. Jesus. But this man, you too do. Oh. You too wicked. You too wicked. You know why I not go join this woman, make it throw you put for prison? Make you go suffer, find money, take care of those children for them. Because if you put you for prison, you go dey relax for prison. Why the woman go dey find the daily bread for the children? No, e no go work like that. For the injury wey you don give this woman now you go still take care of those children. This woman, I join you not to go back to that marriage again. Tell them say marriage is over. It's not by force. It's not by force, so it's not by force. Because if you force yourself now, rest in peace, now go be your name later. Oh, I don't talk my own finish. Rest in peace, now go be your name later. He go do, he go beg. This one don't go viral now. Maybe na the rest in peace, because no dey tire una to dey hear for here. Una no go use una brain. Una no use una sense. Oh God Almighty. I tell God beg you, this woman, not go back again. Make this man pay for all the old damages wey he do for your body. Make he pay. Make he pay. That one not even reach self. Make he overpay. Jesus Christ. Hey, this word not be small thing, no. I bet if you come across this video, if you never subscribe, my sister, my brother, what see you dey wait for? My family, una subscribe. Una see this one now. E good make we dey fight for our people. E good make you dey voice out for them. Because if you look wetin dey happen now, say make you quiet, if you still reach your body tomorrow. If you not reach your body, if you still reach one of your family body tomorrow. E good make we dey voice for the voiceless. It's good to voice for the voiceless. I beg. If you now come across this video, una subscribe. Press the notification bell so that anytime something, some of matter like this come on board, you will be the first person to notify. And drop your comment and share this video. Let this video go viral. I beg you, my people. So I will end this video for here now. I will end it right now because I don't want this video to be too long. So please subscribe, press the notification bell and like the video. Share this video and let it go viral. And pick your advice for inside this video. Pick your sense for inside this video. Drop your comment. Thank you so much, my people. May God bless you all. Bye-bye.